are back. We're back. Today is Saturday and we are making pizzas. I've seen this thing on TikTok where you make the pizza with the little tortilla, and I use the Carb balance. Y'all will see it in the next clip, but that's what we're doing. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisi, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Anywho, that's all we doing today. Not doing nothing major. When I say this be real life, real life.
Yeah, it's your P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jeff for peace.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian.
Push a P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push a P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy. Jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
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 Yeah. Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Pop a P. I'm paranoid. I can't sleep. My pockets deep. Got rest on me. Why they watching me? I'm
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Touch it. Push a P. Okay. Bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
So y'all, that pizza was 10 out of 10 recommend. Now, of course, you can put whatever you want to put on it. And we, as you guys saw, we just had pepperoni and cheese or whatever. But next time, I think I may throw a couple of turkey sausages on there and get me some banana peppers and some jalapeno peppers. Honey, yes. That was it. And it was real quick. Easy meal. Easy meal. So, y'all need to try it. I got it from TikTok. The pizza was good. It was good, honey. It was good. It was good. It was good. So now we probably about to run some errands or whatnot. And what's up?
You telling them how this was?
Yeah. So hey y'all. So I know your girl ain't been on the damn scene in a couple days, a few days, a lot of days, but I'm well. I don't really know where to even start, honey. I've really been trying, like the last two videos that y'all seen was me trying to put those out to see how people would like them or whatever. Not saying that I'm going to stop or anything, but I am going to continue to, you know, upload those type of videos or whatever once I get things situated. But life has been lifing, honey. It has been lifing. And I just been rolling with the punches. So I be taking a lot of breaks only because I get in a funk and I be feeling like I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. But I know that if you want something, you have to put the work in. I can't be out here trying to manifest things and I'm just not willing to do the work. Like that just doesn't make sense. I'm being more intentional about, you know, the things that I do, the things that I put out and, you know, stuff like that. So just readjusting my life, you know, trying to find balance, and sometimes I can't even find it. I just got to create balance like right now. But really, I've been taking this time to just, you know, really just heal. Like I'm not healed as much as I would like to be because some things has taken place and it has really triggered your girl. So I'm just really trying to heal and get a deal. That's what I am in the process of still healing or whatever, and just having to just tell myself, just do more things that I enjoy, things that I love, whatever. So that's really what I've been doing. But also, y'all know I be trying to teach myself new things, and you know, I learn new stuff. I put it in the videos as y'all see. You know, y'all will see those or whatever. But I just wanted to kind of come back and just kind of update you guys as to why you have not seen me. I'm gonna start pushing these videos out 2 times a week. I was trying to do 3, but whoo, child. We'll see. So we're gonna say 2. We're going to say 2, okay? So I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys stay for more. Why is my battery trying to be dead? I got some stuff that I just want to just like, you know what I'm saying, put out or whatever. I'm going to do that. But I'm really in my intentional, in my intentional era in my life right now. So I'm intentionally doing things that, that make Nisi happy. And if that means me not fucking with you, not sweating. But y'all get my drift.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, this ain't Drizzy, just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable.
Oh! Whew. Okay, y'all. So we just left Trader Joe's. That was a good little experience. I went in there for them hash browns I've been seeing online, but the lady said they probably didn't have none because they had them earlier, so they couldn't have had none. So now we're about to head out. Oh, they were good.
Hot potato chip.
Yeah, we got the everything basil, Alfredo. It's hot because I could not find the hash browns, my favorite butter. Got me some pineapple chunks. Got the chicken fried rice, the vegetable fried rice. London wants to try this seaweed snack. Some ghost pepper potato chips.
Tell me if they look good. It don't.
All of this was only like $35, so you couldn't really beat that. So, yeah. Ooh. Clean the sink out, girl.
I'm trying to weigh all your seasoning.
Get them bowls from over there. We're gonna make this pizza again.
Y'all should really
They
try
were
that
good.
pizza. Tell them that you should try that pizza.
My chip looks so thin. Bop, bop. But you gotta slide in. Go that way.
Your mom.
I'm put across the screen. You're not coming with your daughter. Bop, 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 bop. You can't go back. Oh my God. This is why we can't do TikTok. I go this way, you come in.
Yeah.
Come on. We got it. Stop playing with us. These things hot. They good though.
They stay.
Don't be playing with my chip. Girl, it ain't even that bad.
It's hot.
Drink some water and drink it down.
It's hot.
I like these. These are pretty good.
This is hot.
They hot. Ghost pepper. Ghost pepper. We're gonna cook this pizza again. You want to try them so bad.
They look like leaves. I heard they crunchy.
I heard that too.
There you go. Want it?
I thought that was thicker than this. What?
It's hot.
These hot? Girl, you lying.
Oh, wow. Yes, it.
Well, my mouth already hot.
It's fresh when you first put it in.
Oh my God!
It's fresh when you first put it in your mouth.
Why they taste like that?
I thought they was sweet. Ooh.
They're like grass.
Oh, it's wasabi.
London and picked up the hot shit.
Cause that's the only one they had.
Baby, we're not doing these no more. It clearly says wasabi.
I didn't look
Roasted.
at it. I didn't look at it.
Y'all. I can't.
Don't try them if you like.
I mean, if you don't like hot stuff, I mean, it's like a, I don't know what kind of taste it is. Okay, throw this little paper away.
It's not.
Your little green paper. Let me see, it's hot. It has like a spice, like a sting to it, but
Like when you
it's
first put it on
not.
your tongue, it's already hot.
I love these little, I miss having paper bags.
Yeah.
Don't snatch it off his face, off his head like this. Yeah, these pieces be so, they are so good, so.
It's so hot.
He hot? Because he been in there for a minute. He okay. He out in there. Say hey to the people. Say hi. Look at him trying to hit some. Say hi. Say hi. Get my 2-piece, y'all. Get my 2-piece. Princess and a prince.
Yep.
And I'm the queen.
Yep. Do it look like twins?
Probably like, y'all trying to do, I don't do all that.
Say bye
I
bye.
don't do all that.
Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Tell him bye-bye.
I don't know if it was this hand or this hand.
Come on, tell him bye-bye.
What hand is it?
Come on. That's what he said, bye-bye. There you go. Good boy.
Okay.
So you guys, we have made it back to the house and we're not doing anything because it's Sunday night. So it's like the end of this little weekend vlog. What we probably gonna do is get ready for bed and eat. Well, eat, get ready for bed. Or whatever, so we can start our week for this week. Whoo, child, I don't know why I'm so out of breath. Like, what the world's going on? Anywho, I just want to, my lashes look so good, don't they? Y'all don't have to get into these lashes. Anywho, I just want to say, this weekend, I've really enjoyed this weekend. And I haven't had a weekend like this in a minute. And on top of it, I really enjoyed my kids. Like, I just really enjoyed them. Like, oh my God. Not that I don't enjoy my kids, but sometimes it's just, you know, it just doesn't be balanced out. And this weekend was very balanced out for me. So that's all I want. I just want to be in my own little bubble, honey. I don't want nobody bothering me. I don't be want to talk to nobody sometimes. But anywho, that's neither here or there. I'm not going to hold you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you have made it this far, just put a heart in the comments. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My Instagram handle is iamnisilove. And my TikTok handle is, I think it's just Nisi Laine. Girl, y'all know I don't ever really be knowing, but y'all will find me. Just follow me. Bye.